गोंयांत सामुदायिक शेतीक चालना दिवपा खातीर प्रायोगीक तत्वाचेर येवजण सुरू करतले। हाचे वरवीं 2 लाख चौकण मीटर मेरेन सामुदायिक शेती खातीर 90% अनुदान दितले, अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंतान विधानसभेत दिली।
70 तालुक्यांतल्या ल्हान शेतकऱ्यांक मुळाव्यो सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिवपा खातीर सरकारान कसली पावलां उबारल्यात हे विशीं आमदार देविया राणेन सभाघरांत लक्षवेधी सुचोवणी मांडली। शेतांच्या संरक्षणा खातीर कुंपण तशेंच हेर गरजेच्यो सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिवपाचे गरजेचे आशिल्ल्याचे तिणें सांगले। तिणें मांडिल्ले लक्षवेधी सुचोवणीचेर आमदार विजय सरदेसाय, युरिया लेमा, विरेश बोरकार आनी हेरांनी उलोवप केलें।
Fear and anxiety in the minds of farmers from Sattari Taluka due to frequent damage of crops by wild and domestic animals, adversely affecting their livelihood and stable source of income. A large part of Sattari Taluka is predominantly agricultural land where farmers cultivate a variety of agronomic and horticultural crops. However, most land holdings are small and fragmented up to 1,000-2,000 square meters, and they mostly grow paddy and seasonal vegetables. A significant portion of the land consists of encroached properties. Therefore, these farmers are not eligible to avail of infrastructure benefits like fencing, irrigation facilities, agricultural machinery and other support under the Krishi Card scheme. While the government consistently encourages farmers to become self-reliant in agriculture and allied service activities, many women farmers in Sattari Taluka who cultivate paddy and vegetables without hired labor are facing severe challenges as their crops are frequently damaged by wild and domestic animals, adversely affecting their livelihood and stable source of income.
गोंयांत सामुदायिक शेतीक चालना दिवपा खातीर प्रायोगीक तत्वाचेर येवजण सुरू करतले। हाचे वरवीं 2 लाख चौकण मीटर मेरेन सामुदायिक शेती खातीर 90% अनुदान दितले, अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंतान विधानसभेत दिली। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, कुमंतक टीव्ही।